Where is the reset button on a Frigidaire refrigerator? The reset button on a Frigidaire refrigerator is a useful feature that can come in handy when your fridge isn't behaving as it should. It's like a magic button that can help resolve various issues. But where exactly is it located? Well, it can vary depending on your specific Frigidaire model, but I'll show you the most common places to look. The first place you should check is inside the fridge. Frigidaire refrigerators often have their reset buttons located on the control panel within the fridge compartment. This is usually behind the fresh food compartment. If you see buttons like temperature controls, ice maker settings, and so on, take a close look. The reset button might be labeled as reset or have a similar designation. If you can't find the reset button inside the fridge, don't worry. The next place to check is the back of the fridge. Carefully move the refrigerator away from the wall, ensuring it's unplugged. Now, on the back of the fridge, near the compressor or the control panel, you might find a reset button. It's often a small, round button that you can press with a pen or a similar object. If you're still having trouble locating the reset button, there's one more place to turn to: the user manual that came with your Frigidaire refrigerator. Your manual is like a treasure trove of information. It should have detailed instructions on where to find and how to use the reset button specific to your fridge model. Once you've found the reset button, using it is usually straightforward. It's often as simple as pressing and holding it for a few seconds until you hear a beep or see a light indicator change. Press and hold the reset button. Remember, the purpose of the reset button is to restore your fridge to its default settings or troubleshoot minor issues. If you're dealing with a more complex problem, it's a good idea to consult Frigidaire's customer support or a professional technician.